Hey everybody, this is the JIC Final Filler. We have 10 spots at 4 spots. Spots 1, 2, 3, and 4 each get a spot in that order. We're going live at 6:33. We're going to roll the dice, 4 or higher. We have a 3, so we're going to roll again. Stop. We have a 7, here we go, 7 times at 6:33. 6 times, we have a Tamara on top, Miss Sonia on bottom. We've randomized it 6 times. Dice calls for a 7. Here we go, final time at 6:33. Good luck, everybody. Miss Stephanie, Miss Beth, Miss Sonia, and Miss Shalana are the winners. The slots number 9, 6, 4, and 7. Congratulations. We have 10 names on the list. We randomized it 7 times. The dice does call for a 7. And we are done. Final timestamp is 6:33. Just turned 6:34. Congratulations, winners. Good luck in the main, and thanks everybody for helping us.